What's going on, everyone? It's Cash, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the iPhone 11 Pro Max and then the iPhone 11. I won't do a full unboxing on the iPhone 11 because I did get this for my daughter as a surprise, so I'll just take it out of this box and you guys will see the case, but that's about it. Nothing special. And then on this one will be my 256 gig iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's get into it. Right here. And then again, iPhone 11 purple, more of like a lavender to me. I think she's really gonna like it. It was either between this or the green, the mint green. So that's there. All right, so back to mine. So now we've got the box, a little bit bigger box. So we got some little air bubbles. Who doesn't love popping those? It's out of here. All right, and then the iPhone 11 Pro Max Space Gray is there. Get rid of that. More paperwork. All right, so typical unboxing as everybody has seen by now. So I'll just go ahead and peel that off. More unnecessary trash. Nice little cutout in there for the camera bump. Obviously the phone, space gray. I do really like the color of the space gray, the matte finish. It's not as slippery, I would say. Some people have said more slippery than last year's, than the 10s and the 10 models. Don't really feel it more slippery. I just figured that it would have a texture that would make it feel a little bit more grippy, and it does not have that. So I do believe I may drop this, but I do have some cases over there that I will be doing unboxing and review as well, so stay tuned for that. Typical Apple paperwork. Then we got the Apple earbuds. It'd be nice if they came with AirPods. That would be really nice. Then we got, of course, the 18-watt fast charging brick, finally, after years and years of everybody asking for it. And then, of course, the USB-C to Lightning cable. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some of this peeling action. Let's get rid of that. This camera bump is actually very minimal compared to the renders and previous models, so I am really liking that. Aside from that, there's not much of a difference. There is a little bit of a weight difference that I noticed, but I am coming from a 10s. But aside from that, it's pretty much what we've got with the iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, as well as subscribe if you haven't already. Most importantly, have a good day.